finish up uyazi khambani like away
Ekseba bathini kazi lami
Grand
events
right
sazoyikhipha imali dread events
bethongishaya imbungcu nje
mina ngiyiphuca zonke
straight that ngikhathele ile
awayibumi leyo nto vethu kuthiwa bethu ukuphuma kweinwele zonke ukuphela kwamandla endoda phela ngithi kuthiwa uSamson bebamginqa phansi ngeinwele kwaphela wonke amandla manje nami ufuna ukuyishaya zonke phansi ungafani
ngisheya phansi amandla
ngiyadlala kazi lami but how's everything vethu good to have you on the Bubble Show
always ngigrand nje yami I hope nani ni grand bafethu
vethu asi grand vethu ungathuki ngona uthi nani ni grand we actually a family at the salon. Yeah. I don't run the show so vethu from the receptionist we have Wasanele. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, amajita vethu ashayise ngomwana namhlanje vethu but quite great gents vethu it's a teamwork yabo lonto.
Yeah, I see vethu ngiyabona ukuthi hayi amajita ahlanganisa ibhadi
vethu
what's going on here ngiyithanda into enzeka la ekhaya
vethu siyabonga kakhulu vethu but ke njengoba ubuwazi nawe vethu uthempilweni and especially on your industry thina sazi ama artists and mase performer kudane kube ngathi wona ayishayela ubeat kube ngathi wona akhethe yonke izinto ukuthi sihamba kanjani. We never get to hear the side of the producers but today we said no but let's do things in a different way vethu. So we have Dust Beat in vethu all the way from Mzilai uyimlazi baby vethu lomjida vethu. Rest in peace to one of the great pioneers vethu aba influence culture emlazi bongo vethu but vethu I know the fact ukuthi you're playing a very important role in just cementing that the whole industry vethu like it Durban hip hop vethu. You behind the greatest songs in vethu. I acknowledge that babu vethu. So let's take me back in vethu. Who is with Dust Beat and where do you come from lapha eMlazi?
So kahle uDust Beats uSiyabonga Asanda Gamede.
Yes,
from eMlazi ka W section.
Sure.
So me ngeke uzukholwa ukuthi I was once an artist in terms of ukuthi ngangithanda ukwenza yonke le enye into bethu behind umculo dog yabo.
So
for real dog ngaye ngabhala kodwa I felt like ijourney yami agcina ngiholela kuma beats so I think gonna wangisiza futhi sikithole ended up making beats today.
No, shout out. So ku internet ikhona nje vethi ingoma mfethu ya Dust ingayibheki no we mic because I know the Dust Beats is behind the production. Yeah, just take me back ubani behind the mic and who inspired you vele to just decide to be on music zingake izinto engabe uyazenza emhlabeni?
Yazi ukuthi mina ngalisho legama bazokuyolibheka bethi ugcinisa ubuye nomculo wami wakudala kanti hoyi sengadlula lapho but Dust the rapper until ngibe uDust Beats since ngenza ama beats.
Sure.
Yeah, so I was inspired by one of my bruellas cause actually nje ngithathe nginibeke ngiqala nje introduce yakwi Fruity Loop because ilona leli lenza yonke lento le.
Sure.
So I was once introduced with Fruity Loop by UXY's.
Sure, XY's.
Yeah, XY's Ghosty.
Sure.
So as I said ukuthi ngihlala eMlazi. So other bros besi now we neighborhood yabo.
Sure.
So now there was this other bro wangithatha the other day wathi dog ngiyabona ukuthi wenza umculo and I feel like udinga something ethu like umuntu oseyazi into azokusiza ngayo yabona. And then this bro igama lakhe uNkosi. Wangithatha shout out to uNkosi ethu Rasta. Wangithatha dog with my other bro to professor oyenzwe ke robots nje.
Sure.
But isagcina sishaya umculo ibhadi. So
Yes.
this day was Saturday spare XYZ dog. So when we get there to XYZ, I remember dog unika wasibuza nje ukuthi like sinazo iningoma dog singamzisa zona ukuze akwazi ukusisiza yabo.
Sure.
Sasingenanga.
So ngalesi sikhathi aninagama.
Asinagama.
So ku producer bethu osesifane nabo Zakwe no Skuba. Legend.
So I feel like nako lokho ingakho ukuthi umuntu eqhasha kanje yabo.
Sure.
So when we went there, so we didn't have songs. Samtshela uNiki ukuthi sizofuna yona vele leyo nto ukuthi sisize ngengoma. Sabona ukuthi ngathi ayikho kodwa into esisho. And then angazi yini eyathi angicele ifruit yabo. Ngathi ngiyamcela usiphi ifruit yabo. And then uNiki wasiphi ifruit. Waqeda wasipha nama packs akhe like ama sample pack ayibhalwe nje ukuthi XYZ.
Sure.
So from there umuntu esebuyele ekhaya nje bethi awabuye sehlanga dog because into esayibona lapha siqala nokubona istudio sangempela dog.
Sure. Which year was that?
It was 2016 manga process.
Okay.
Yeah, I was 16 years old by the way.
Face.
Now ngina 25 to 26.
Face.
So actually futhi nje all my life ngikhumbula ifruit nje because I was so young ngiqala lo shandisi.
Sure.
At the age of 16.
So XYZ Bethu, he's played a very important role in Bethu in shaping Bethu and the sound of ET. We are all done. And if you go back in Bethu, XYZ Bethu is one of the producers about dominating gay Katizo, K Master. Yabo Bethu like the old Kasi rap. Of which in Bethu it doesn't sound like anything else. Yabo, it's authentic. Yeah. So for you to be inspired by XYZ and Bethu, for you to play such a very important role right now in the industry, specifically in the Light Durban, of which I see a way that you also going to conquer like the whole of South Africa. I believe in potential. Potential is not mainly something that you are right now, but it's something that you can be. So kulele kwena ke mfengu mina trust me, I see a lot in you bro. But ngiyayithanda indlela omuva ngani. So Bethu, in a few years ago, we were first kind of like introduced to your greatest work, yabo. You work with one of the most talented and most authentic, creative, and ngikhuluma Bethu ngoTony Bethu, a guy that made ukukhuluma and ukusounda like pro kid, like kinda relevant man, because uTony Bethu is not kind of finesse you ngathi manje uzokurephela nje ngendlela ozokwazi ukumuza understand ngayo.
Big boy leyana Bethu, big boy.
And not only ukuthi ubedane waspana naye SABig yabo, you know him before and you worked with him on his first major project, Big Boy EP yabo Bethu. Ingoma le EP enengoma njengofilimu Bethu ziningi Bethu, ama hits are serious. So just tell me ukuthi, how did you meet to Tony and how did you guys decide ukuthi you're gonna be in the studio, and tell me about how did it go on about to play a role on Big Boy EP?
That was actually my biggest song I've worked on. Yabo, iyona kuphela nje ingoma yami kwakuyokuqala enkulu eyangenza nga realize nanokuthi man, this thing is serious yabo.
Sure.
Because I didn't know Tony. Nae wayengangazi until there was this bro introducer mina kuyena.
Sure.
And this bro introducer mina uTony kumeli yabo.
Sure.
It was like I have this bro obuye athi shwi esigele ontswempu ubuya phila ngasekhaya and stuff.
Sure.
I want you to meet him. Yeah.
Sure. What is she scared?
Yabo ubuya phila akajwayele ukuba khona eroundini. Not umuntu ohleze on.
Sure. Lapho sasemlazi yabo.
Semlazi dog yabo.
Sure.
And there's that thing futhi uthi isipani sakho mawushaya ugcina usurecommendewa nje intweni ezigcine ziba right.
Sure.
Yeah, so I feel like nami ngarecommendea intweni kanjalo when Tony was asking for umuntu angaspana naye and stuff.
Sure.
Yabo. and then my name came up, yabo. Ended up having a number yakhe, we ended up chopping it up, because I remember since senza le ngoma le i10K actually it's a 10K with Big Boy. He called me yabo on some, like say dog ngise goalie right now. I think what we total sports scene or what.
Sure, put me on
type thing, yeah. Hit me up on some. I will send them a beats dog in English and this lana. I need beats, yabo. I think babe in the studio session there. And then I'm sending a bunch of beats. Then mase ngisendela ngibona ingoma ayiwachuza ibeats engangithe angeke azayithande cabanga.
Sure.
So crazy dog.
Sure.
Wachuza dog le ngangithi ngiyisenda nje lo, but lawa showcase, but naye wancanywa le ngangiyisenda nje.
Sure.
Then we came with 10K. I got notice ukuthi aneka le ngoma say add a project, let's do the right thing. I was happy, bro. I was happy. Actually, that moment changed my life till today.
Yeah, shout out to Tony.
Yeah, shout out to Diamond Dog, big time. Idlala indima enkulu futhi. Idlala indima enkulu kakhulu.
Great. No, it sounds so amazing when young guys speak greater of each other, because Tony is a young lady, and ngikhulume ngo-authenticity belamtita. Uyambona mfethu ukuthi hayi akasichwayisi. Uyabona uyazishandisi yakhe. And for you mfethu to also specify the fact that ukuthi I was happy even after everything happened, because I think lento enough kwasha ama-artists, but I think iwasha kakhulu ama-producer ukuthi you don't get the acknowledgement that you deserve for your work. You understand? So tell me about it. When yourself utawungena kwi-production, did you know the business side of production, or you got to understand ukuthi how do producers actually make money? Because me myself, I understand that the music business ukuthi, so artists like they get money and they push their brands.
Sure.
They get booked, they get those kind of endorsements. They work with brands. There's royalties. Kunama gigs outside of the caliber of music that you can just get. Like a show. Show appearance, So when for you to decide on choosing production at that time, were you knowledgeable? These are my limits. This is what I'm going to be exposing myself to, or were you just fascinated by beats in such a way that I'm going to
So, good tricky dog. I don't want to lie to you and say, when the production nemali eningi. Kuba nemali eningi when you are well known, but musa come up and you kuba nzima kakhulu dog. Because okokuqala nje ujwayele ukuthi ube nama homies akho azohleze efuna izinto zamahhala. So it's kind of hard ukuqala ubalekele lokho ukuthi khona abantu abazohleze efuna izinto zamahhala, ama sessions zamahhala, ama beats amahhala, yabo. So you have to uqale nje ngokuthi ukwazi ukuhlukanisa lokho ukuthi okay manje sengiyaspana, this is work. There is no more izinto zamahhala. If you're trying to do something, at least drink, yabo. Like you have to set those limits kuqala mfethu umuntu azi ukuthi if eza kuwena uza unento ethize yabo nazo ibeka etafuleni. So you're gonna uqala ukuthi you have to know ukuthi ngiyaspana manje to earn money. And another thing, ama royalty, it's iyaspana, but nakhona ama royalty wadla kahle if uspanning ingoma serious as umuntu eseyiqala manje usazowahlafuna yabo.
Sure, usazowahlafuna.
Usazohlafuna. Yabo, but nje lately bekuthatha umuntu besayiqhwandela, you have to uspanisa negama, uspanise ne social media. Big time, more than anything, so how me personally I started earning. Ngaqala ngokuthi nje ama-beats ami mhlawumbe for an example aqala ku-50 rand
Bheka.
dala dog
Bheka.
yabo ngazi nje ukuthi mina i-beat yami it's worth something.
Bet, it's worth something.
It's worth
Bet. I love that
something,
mindset because
Yeah,
it's the mindset of scaling. Yeah, bro. You start small, you pull that
Build
that niche. Abantu abazodmina I produce by UDAS. So now making better my beats out 5. That's 250. Yabo and it piles up. Now you have such a way up way na
Izobuya phethu yabo.
Angiyathemba ukuthi nezo bafethu.
Ngiyafisa
Okay, from the dust.
yabo.
Showcase.
So kube lapho nje lawo ama-cent of 50 bethu and then after unyaka uthothi uzonyuka bese uthi i-clipper that's 100 rand after another year uthi mhlawumbe yabo manje skill uyasibona nawe as time uqhubeka siyaqina iskill yabo yeah gcina uma usubo 250 yabo gcina sekunyuka so that's how izinto nje bese zishintsha ngakhona. But I don't want to lie to you, kunzima even to get people ukuthi bathenge into yakho because ekugcineni these are just beats. I was just melodies le dog. Awungeke uwadle angeke wenze lutho. But at the end of the day you have to convince ukuthi umuntu akhiphe imali to ukuyithenga le shandisi.
I could have asked you this before we got on this series, but in there too, I draw a lot of inspiration of the artistry, okay, and in there too, I always advocate for his great caliber of portraying like a limitless kind of creativity, of which you need to understand that not everyone is going to be excited about what you do. But once you find that specific niche, you just gotta be consistent in developing that market. What did you learn with being in studio with that gent? He's a legend in this
Big time.
game.
Big
so
time.
how did you like comprehend whatever that you saw from his behavior to his humor to his character and his artistry? Sure.
So hathi ngiqale nje first time meeting yena bethu malume wethu Kolkati, it was through Slim Ego. Shout out to Slim dog. He put me on to Malume Kolkati. There was this session ababeshayile eFlorida. So as bengishilo ukuthi if wenza into good ugcina urecommendeke into enecrime. So nami I was recommended lapho ukuthi nigga ukhona endlini. I was there. Ungakwazi ukufika lapho we having a session and yabo nami ngumuntu bethu osithanda iSpanish angivele nginqabe nje kanjalo mangibona ukuthi
exactly because nathi bethu sikuthinta mfethu wathi abafethu akuSpanish.
Yabo okay. So when I went there, Umilana was there. I don't wanna lie, dog. I was nervous, yabo. But I told you how Uman Kolkati is a bro. Umuntu naye, yabo. He got his personal stuff. He likes to share futhi ulwazi more than anything, yabo. So it was fun being on that session. Then maybe like a year later, saphinde sahitha penny session yabo organize Loki, shout out to Loki, Big Brother Lokishi yabo crazy. So this time Milano pulled up on my studio because last time I went to them it was the biggest one, dog, having Ukolkati kitchen lagithi yabo crazy dog. So we worked, it was a great one. We ended up even chopping more sessions, even went to his crib again. So actually on that last session we have, I feel like it's the one engafunda kuyona kakhulu yabo because we ended up talking more than recording yabo.
Sure.
Sayixoxela nje bethu and kwaku blind yabo. I feel like okunye futhi okubalekile more than just iSpanish to make that connection yabo. So I relaxela dog, we do lawo ma joints lawo. It's just a cool bro that you can do anything bamba akana nkinga. It's just yabo. I was so happy dog.
isibhuti esimise.
Hey dog, ikati lakithi.
No,
And
shout
then-
out, shout out. Ukati bet is forever gonna be respected
Cool.
from me holy oxygen.
From
So
Dala,
quick forward the one of the artists that I highly respect, yabong, Loki. Loki is that superhero base because you know superpower. He went to Joburg with a great spirit, and then he came back with the times 10 great spirit.
Times 10,
Yeah, so you
times
don't find
10.
that again after artists they depart with their labels, yabong. But let's look, he did the opposite, and bethu ngemhlonipha noma polo over
Big
that.
time.
So
Big
bethu
time.
Loki is been working with you. I saw you doing a production of his latest collab with Blue Papi. To not only that, there's quite a lot of songs you're working in. It's a Messiah Slack.
Brother for manada.
But so Ulogishi Betu a genuine guy.
Yeah,
So
for
Ulogishi Betu is a very unique sound, yabong.
Yeah.
He can go vernac avitane uthi samlindele ngokuthi ushaya a versatile lingo avitane abe conscious at the same time.
Conscious.
Yabo. So
yeah.
when which aspect of the production do you enjoy? Not only specific to Loki, but to almost like every song that you've made. Is it trap? Is it like the new age sound delay? Yamageba, or is it conscious?
Me hlezi ngi-identify ukuthi ngiyi-mixed veg dog because
Sure,
I
mixed
do
veg.
everything
Sure.
dog. When it comes to rap, I can make rap beats. When it comes to Afropop, I can make Afropop beats. When it comes to trap, I can make trap beats.
Because the other days I figured record to Maskandi.
Yeah, Maskandi. I was locked in a party with that group.
Sure.
So nje, I'm that guy. Ngafuni ukuhlulwa yilutho, yabo.
Showcase.
I always try my best. So me and Loki dog, Loki is like my biggest brother dog, yabo. Ngimvume ngayo yonke indlela. We're always together, dog. In such a way, ukuthi he's working on a project right now, and I'm part of it. I'm happy with that. It's a recorder. I'm making beats. Everything. I'm mixing. We also send to other people for mixing, cause it's Ning span, dog. So I feel like working with Loki nako kungisize kakhulu in this thing, yabo. Because I've learned to make different types of music ebengingawazi dog. Loki being there dog, kwazi yonke into like quality wise uyayazi into better dog. Ingoma nje singayiqala phansi bese mayibona ukuthi ayingeke. Khona enye nje kade silungisa iverse layo maybe thange mangaphosisi.
Sure.
Yabo featuring Lo-Fi from Amaqwelas.
Sure.
So we made that song sekunesikhathi maybe last year, yabo. Then like Lo-Fi did a verse. It's a nice song, but yena wayehlezi ekhala ethi it's angilizi iverse lami la dog. Yabo insejhe ukuthi lo muntu oze waqala phansi, yabo.
Just
To master ukuthi ibe ilento ayifunayo. Akwazi ukuyiyeka ingakabi lento ayihalelayo, yabo. So I feel like I'm learning a lot from
it's a great one, Siyabonga kakhulu. So I know bethu ngoba usukwazi ukumeet one of the heroes that you were introduced to, the likes of XY, but currently right now, I'm sure in the studio, you have goals, you have dreams, you want to escalate your work ethic, you want to meet new artists, EP genre that you still want to explore and that you see is predominantly growing like South Africa. Kungakasitholi isikhathi sokuthi uyidelele ngempela othi nje mawuthi wacabanga then ufika ama goosebumps.
Yeah, I feel like with 3-step, I've never tried 3-step.
Sure.
But some piano ngiyakwazi ukwenza. house music. I can make house music. I can make gqom. I can make isigubhu.
Sure.
But I've never made 3-step. I've never even tried, yabo.
Sure.
So njalo mangithi ngizocabanga nje kumele ngishayele ama-goosebumps owasho ukuthi
Sure.
3-step. So
Sure.
nje I feel like you wanna dog. I have to try making more 3-step beats actually.
No, most definitely.
I have to.
No, but ngiyakuzwa mfethu, and I admire that because it shows depth ukuthi
You're not only just on the surface, yabo. You wanna go within and you'd like to pursue things even more, yabo.
More.
So but that's great for better. Matter says see put envelope so that we can know where can we actually head to. And apart from it3step which is that one like producer, before I can just say artist, that currently right now you really want to be in studio with yabo, othi bethu mawubuka indlela enza ngayo iyafana nale ofuna ukuya kuyona, and also ubuka ama moves akhe, even the way he like
do
maintains
things.
his brand yabo as a producer bethu.
Yeah.
Because if Swiss Beats can be like a super
Beat.
giant beat maker,
Yeah.
but it means that producer brands are built.
Are built.
So
Facts.
on your side, it doesn't have to be limited to only here in SA.
Even
So
now,
but so tell me, who's that one guy you'd love to be like under the same roof as like a studio, and
Yeah.
possibly showcase. Yeah, well, and also outside of that, like under his wing in a way. Yeah, well, was told it all man.
Low man's allowed.
Low man. Yeah, well, my aspects.
I don't wanna lie to you, dog. It's Zuchi Coke Dope.
Oh, shut up.
I want to dog Zuchi, dog. Yo, hey, if I can be in studio with Zuchi, dog,
Sure.
it will be chai, yabo.
Sure.
It will be chai, cause I got a follow from him. I think early this year, or manga posted last year. I don't know. I got a follow from him. I was like, wow. This is wild, yabo. There's this thing I'm doing. Shoots, it's good, yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, and then he hit me up on a DM actually. Trust me, boy. Zuchi did a DM, dog. I was like, yo, this is the biggest album I've ever. So yeah, I feel like being in studio with him can change a lot. Yeah, it can change a lot. It can change a lot.
Yo.
Feel
Hey,
like-
ngiyayirutela ke leyo mpahla ke ndayami.
It's crazy, dog. It's crazy.
Yo, I am so rooting for that.
Yeah.
Because I think he's one of like the greatest producers we've ever witnessed
yeah.
in the hip hop scene like South Africa.
It's one of
Yeah,
the
but because
best.
that guy, he so much believes in his craft in such a way that he doesn't do anything else but himself. Yeah, but you cannot talk Zuchi into a song that doesn't sound like Zuchi.
Yabo.
Yeah, but
You have to know Zuchi. You have to- Oyagiyena,
yabo
don't
leyo
get that thing.
and even noma kuthiwa uyena ozakwena, automatically you're gonna be on the sound. You understand? In
definitely.
short,
He has his own pockets.
Yeah,
Pockets
okay.
alike. He has his own pocket. I own a pocket
no,
alike.
but we're manifesting that, and I hope he sees this. Most definitely, but no, but kuhle kakhulu ke as I'm about to do the lineup mfethu ngikushaya nge-trimming ngiqondisa bethu ibhova lakhe
Trim
imgumeni
yakithi.
mfethu yabo nami ke bethu ke nginakho ke bethu kushaya ama beats yabo la ekhanda yabo lo to who's that artist you'd love to go on a joint project with? So lokuthi nje mfethu you're going to be dedicating yourself into that, like you wanna do this project. Not just a single,
But the
but
projects.
umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi build a body of work naye, even ama visuals, like the whole creative
Everything.
direction.
Yo, dog, I feel like it's Nasty C
Sure,
and Blackie.
Sure,
Yo, if I can
sure.
lock in it, Nasty C and Blackie, it's a bit shy, dog.
Sure.
Yeah, it's a bit shy.
And what would you offer? Because let's just say right now there's Honest Yabo. He says, hey Dust, hey, I've worked in so many projects. I feel like I need a new sound. that can actually
Link to my-
translate the phase that I'm on, because currently Nasty, he posted ukuthi he was feeling down for the past 3 months.
Yeah.
He was feeling down, he was not active as usual. So you understand ukuthi that was a phase.
It's a
So
phase.
let's just say you find Nasty on that phase. What type of beat in phase, and what's the element of that project that you'd actually work on?
Sometimes I'm an artist, if they feel sad, they would like to go with like sad stuff. Sometimes if they are happy, they will go happy and do a happy song. So I feel like Nasty right now needs like emotional beats to express what he's been going through. And also like that bit of turn up about to make him forget about his difficulties. I feel like that will work.
Because you're always beatbox.
Crazy, because ngiyakwazi
Okushayela phela.
Yo, no.
Okushayela beatbox.
Gang.
How are you going to perform on the power show? Shaya beatbox.
Yo. Yazi ngangikwazi angani kodwa I feel like
Are you
because I know
shy,
itempo.
Okay, mina ke ngizothini zona.
Okay.
Contessa. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Nigga, stop playing with me, nigga. It was a long time,
It's a
nigga.
long time, man.
Bonjour, my primary
the
age.
beatmaker choker. You're choker, the beatmaker.
Give me fruits, dog, man. Give me FL.
Yes. No, Beto, it's a great pleasure, Beto. It's so amazing how conversations are built and how deep they can go, yabo. Mina ke Beto, my love for music, angeke ngiqambela manga. I mean, I'm more on the knowledge, yabo. Ngithanda Beto ukwazi, yabo. And I don't know ukuthi ngena happy phuma kephi, yabo. But I've been blessed with being around creatives, yabo. I once rolled with my bro Odin Dakweti, EV Wempeto. I used to go into studios with him, yabo. So I mostly know. Sure, Mpeto. So yeah, Mpeto. I love being with you geniuses, one of my genius, yabo. And to get that chance, to unpack your greatness, yabo. Because I don't lie, Mpeto. We need to use whatever that we have to influence and to pioneer change, yabo. So for people that think a barbershop space is only somewhere where you just get a haircut, yabo. So we are pioneering change by bringing the culture to here in the barber space, yabo, whereby not only we just give great cut, but we give a great platform, yabo. So we thank you for being here, because it shows quite a lot you respect the artistry, yabo, because this is art, bro. The same way that you do a song, it's the same way I do a haircut, yabo. What's so it's therapy, yabo. So for us, it's to unpack such a great story of yours, Vethu. It's my pleasure, Vethu. So Vethu, ngikhule mina ngilalela ukhozi ke bafu, yabo lonto. And Vethu bekuthi mase kuzophela Vethu umsakazi mase esezoqeda Vethu, yabo lonto. Mase ke Vethu yacela ukuthi ngicela ukukhonzela abasekhaya, yabo lonto Vethu. So now Vethu ngicela nje with your greatest humbleness, ngicela nje Vethu just to send a shout out to everyone who's currently playing that role and people that put you on. Yeah, all on the bed. Ima Vethu akwazi sifane no lot script.
Yeah, besibhadi lo lakithi. Ngelo lasekhaya. We are working on something. We project yakhe iDulats right now. Featuring Sheo, FLO, Mcijo, MSI. So I'm in charge of mixing and mastering. Yeah.
No, but to shout out to Vethu. Ngicela uqhubeke njalo ke Vethu ba acknowledge abafowethu.
So I would like to send like special shout out to actually my mom, because yena umuntu enginaye manje u-lady dog over everything. My kid, ngifena nengane yami
Shout out, mama.
naye lapha.
Showcase, Vets, I love that, Vets. That's family, bro.
I'm having that moment dog of like cause futhi nakuyintwana yami bengekho isikhathi esiningi. I was once le goalie yabo for big time. So now I'm trying to be that father ozoba seduze yabo by all means.
Sure.
Yeah, because this nalento umculo dog gcina ikhambisa ekhaya dog. Bo umuntu besogcina ke esebuya once a year dog sothi uhlele egoli dog mhlambe nakhona uyikhuhlela i-couch dog. We trying yabo sifuna ukuphumelela sonke dog ekugcineni. So nje it's hard dog. Yabo. So nje yeah.
Oledi nomndeni.
Oledi
bros
and my Bruelas dog Rico Taylor.
Isho is Rico.
Boss, my Bruella dog. Cause now I'm currently in Durban town. If you're trying to book a studio session, that's where I'm located right now. For everyone, ingakho ngaze ngeze town ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibe reachable. Usuke eNando so akamasho, usuke eMlazi usuka kephi. Kuba lula yabo.
Yeah. No, that's 100 bets because bethu igame bethu isabale yabo. So it's not limited to one. Like that, the space of creativity bethu isabalele kakhulu. So it shouldn't be limited to any aspect. No, you have to figure la iwala ivuke la yabo le olingo le yase location. Iwala ivuke la yabo. So basically it means like there's no limit in everything, basically. So for you to take an active part in shaping the industry and playing that role, to working behind these great songs, so umbuzo ogcinayo as we rap, let's say manje khona umuntu oqalayo ukuspana yabo lonto, and currently right now ufuna ukuthola studio time and also akakazi sitholi kahle as an artist. So what would you recommend ukuthi ekuse mawufika ke studio, this is how you can actually tap into something that can actually inspire, make you grow, make you mfethu uyithola ukuthi okay, this is my sound, because we have a lot of artists who don't sound real, nama artists ezwe usibanibani eshaya impahle kanje nawasazama ke gcina sengingazwakala ukuthi kahlahluba kanti thothi umuntu untswemi ukuthi sizwa omunye umuntu thina masilalela lonto. What can you just give amajita asase lokishini amajita bese asahlanganisa ukuthi abafeki first manifika studio zamani 1 no 2
showcase. I feel like ukuba se-studio more often cause all over by studio ngaleso sikhathi sokuthi bethu uzwe e-studio nge-weekend and then uyoza ngaleya weekend while there are people abalala bevuka e-studio so that's actually work ukuthi uhlezi ukulento yenzayo umuntu bethu okhanda umgwaqo uhlezi esemgwaqeni ekhanda umgwaqo noculayo kumele ehlezi se-studio to actually get the source ngendlela right. So being in studio njalo kuyasiza, always writing ubhale nje bethu ubalalele abanye abaculi but ungabakopeli balalele ungabakopeli, do your own thing. I feel like
ibambe lapho spend more time in the studio.
Uhlezi se-studio dog, connect no producer. Because I mean, I connect to no producer. That's make ingoma zabo better, Because once you connect to the producer, you get to make izinto better ngazazi, like you experiment and
get to link and actually be one.
Yeah, you actually be one, because ingoma better ayikho writing uwedwa, anyway no utsuka kakhulu kuyona. To create the final products.
Siyabonga ke Dusty yo listen mfethu. I'm just gonna do the lineup mfethu. Mfethu sezongena i-unreleased beat ezodlala nje behind the scene mhlambe mase siyezwa ke noma mfethu yila khasha noma mfethu ngizwa noma uLofaya noma ngizulokishi noma Chris Brown mfethu ongitshela ukuthi uphethe bani bese singakababoni.
Esigodlweni khona even now la Cabra khona emoyeni wasesigodlweni. We have song with Sasti. We have songs with kade ngishilo Kemal Mkulket. It's a bunch. Yeah. Yazi kuningi. Deuce Wavy.
Sure. Shout out. Friend of the show, to say,
yeah. Slim Ego, we have songs. Baningi, it's Dolphini, we have songs with Dolphin Diaz.
You need to have him on the show.
Yo, you have to get into an adult.
Sure.
Yabo.
Sure.
Baningi, it's ngilo umuntu bethu ongayiphothi ngokuspana.
No, mfethu kusobala mfethu. Kusobala kakhulu mfethu. Siyabonga ke nathi mfethu. Ngoba sengibongile mina ke ngibonga kakhulu mfethu. Yabo ngimuntu thanda mfethu ukudlulisa izibongo. Yabo uthi sihloniphile nje mfethu. Wathi mfethu angizobabona kwamashe. Yabo lonto mfethu. All that means a lot mfethu. And mfethu trust mfethu kuningi okuhle that is going to be worked on. Yabo.
Checkers. Kubonga mina please, kubonga mina big time dog. This opportunity.
It means a lot.
It means a lot dog. Ayandele bani please yabo. Angifuni uqamba manga dog. This actually makes me happy dog. It's even giving me a hint ukuthi I'm in the right direction.
Sure.
I have to keep going big time.
No mfethu kunjalo mfethu. Real recognizes real yabo lonto mfethu. So nathi nje ngoba sesilitholile lelithuba lokuthola mfethu sithemba ukuthi ke konke esikhulume ngakho is going to go to life and to fruition ukuthi isizukulwane nezizukulwane sikwazi ukuthi masidlula sikhumbula mfethu izinto suzenzile washo yabo washo mfethu yabo lonto mfethu mfethu. No, it's a great one. Keep on being great Bafo. And keep on being humble mfethu. And mfethu unganqeni ke mfethu ukuspana mfethu. Ibambe ngale ndlela ebambe ngayo. Yabo, the more you put in the work mfethu, the more you know your worth and you know how far you can go. I always go by the quote, only those who are willing to risk going too far can possibly find out how far they can go. Yeah. So you can only know how far you can go if you risk going too far. Yabona lonto mfethu. Mfethu sekusele nje lokho engizokwenza behind the scenes mfethu. It's a wrap. The Barber Show. What up?
Danko.